If you like working with power tools and have mechanical skills, you can make it as an industrial machine operator. This is a great career with entry-level positions or apprenticeships where you're paid to learn on the job. Industrial machine operators set up and operate equipment that cuts, shapes, and forms different materials. You can work with metal from structural steel to high-grade stainless steel or aluminum. Operators are needed in factories that produce wood products too, from cabinets to building products. The food industry relies on the skills of form and fill machine operators. These workers are responsible for keeping production lines running smoothly. Tasks may include operating packaging equipment and changing packaging materials as different products are put online, working to maintain clean, safe, and efficient operation. Every machine needs the skilled hand of a good operator.
Hello, my name is Brad Kreger. I was a 2003 graduate of Spring Grove Area High School. I started here at Snyder's Lance as a machine operator right after high school. I came in here as an operator, started and worked as an operator for about a year. Then I was promoted up to coordinator, which is like a lead operator here at Snyder's. While in that role, when I took that position, I started with a shift that had fairly new operators. I worked a night shift, so we had to come up with a way to get those operators up to speed. During that time, I developed a training program to help those new operators excel at what they do. After developing the training program for this facility, other facilities realized that they could use some additional training as well, so I was asked to travel to some other plants in other states to help them with their training, develop a training program for them. I was the lead operator for approximately 3 years, and then I was promoted up to a supervisor level, where at that point I continued to develop, instead of just an operator team, I continued to develop the operators as well as an entire shift, and continued to go to some other facilities and enhanced our training program to help some operators in the other facilities. Throughout the years, I have, with the promotions, it's been nice pay increases each time I got the promotion. This job wasn't really something I was planning on making a career out of. I came in here planning to work for 1 or 2 years to make some money, but turned out that I actually enjoyed what I did, and it's a great career to be at.
In the metal fabrication industry, you might find yourself working with a brake press to bend large sheets of metal before they go into the production line. You can operate a rolling machine to transform flat material into a curved configuration. Metal shearers cut material into a specified dimension. The operator controls the process and makes sure that the work is up to company standards. There are so many ways to make it in this occupation, and each job puts you at the controls of a machine designed to perform an extremely important and necessary task. The products you help manufacture may be used in the energy industry, a fast-growing market that is keeping metal fabrication operators busy with high demand. Where wood, metal, or plastic is necessary to get a job done, there's a machine operator who has contributed to a job well done.
My name's Faith Stuffle. I work at R.H. Shepherd. I enjoy working at my cure machine, making parts to put into the assembly line. I learned how to read gauges and different skills that I didn't learn before at my other previous jobs. I enjoy the hours, the paycheck gets nice, and it helps us out at home, and I enjoy meeting the different people that I work with.
The number of new jobs in this career field is increasing steadily. In 2010, there were about 1 million employed in the United States, with a growth rate of 6% expected by 2020. That translates into over 56,000 new positions opening up for industrial machine operators. Average pay for this occupation in South Central Pennsylvania is over $36,000 a year. Many of these jobs offer overtime opportunities as well. An increase in pay is possible for workers who are motivated to continue their training with certification in their field. The possibilities are available to you in this job: on-the-job training, security, and a good paycheck. This is a career choice where you can make it as an industrial machine operator.